Manually getting key details from a single delivery note like this one is time-consuming, so imagine processing and updating thousands into Microsoft Dynamics each month. Today I'll show you how you can streamline this process using the Nordoon platform. First, let's create a new template and choose the delivery note. You can customize your template by changing, adding, or removing fields related to the information that matters to you. Next, upload your delivery note documents, and Nordoon AI agents will retrieve the information based on your specifications and do the matching. And just like that, your processed delivery notes are ready for download in any format you prefer, which means the data is ready to be updated into Microsoft Dynamics, automatically matching the ERP format. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. See you in the next one.